In a time before words, a lone hunter wandered tired, hungry, but life always finds a way, even the smallest one. A tiny ant approached, fearless. The ant led him to food, a secret bounty of nature. Not by accident, but as a gift. Days pass. The man and the ant share many silent journeys. He protects it from a lizard. He leaves food crumbs behind. They bond. What began as survival became something more. A quiet companionship across worlds. Faint cave drawings. The man scratches the shape of a tiny ant beside his own figure. Time fades. The camera zooms out to reveal ancient cave art.